you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe down below, turn your post notifications on because I am giving away I am doing a giveaway, okay? So if you don't know me, my name is Clara Badel, aka Chloe, and I like to do recipes. I like to share my recipes with people out there that barely know how to cook, that wants to learn some more. I have 3 rules to when you're in the kitchen, okay? My 3 rules are love, patience, and taste as you go, okay? So with that being said, go ahead and let's get started. For today, we are going to make a fluffy tortilla de harina, flour tortillas. Yes, my all-time favorite, my husband's favorite, and they're so easy to make. You know, why buy them at the store when you can make them at home, okay? So, like always, in the description box, I am going to leave you all the ingredients. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So for the ingredients, it's 3 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of lard or vegetable shortening, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of hot water, and some extra flour on the side, okay? Add your 3 cups of flour, okay? Your 1 teaspoon of salt. And before you add your lard or your vegetable shortening, make sure you mix the salt and flour together very well. And now we're gonna add the lard. Now with your lard, you're gonna want to incorporate it well with your flour and your sugar before you add the water, okay? So make sure you add it and you kind of like break it down, incorporate it really well. Now that our flour, salt, and our vegetable shortening or lard is mixed in together, you're going to want to add the water. So we're going to add a little bit at a time. And I'm sorry, but the lighting is not very good, guys. The sun was out, but apparently I think it's cloudy outside, so sorry if the lighting is not. Hi. Yeah, the lighting is not good, okay? I'm gonna add more water. Sometimes you might use more than a cup of water, okay? But the majority of the time, I use 1 cup. Basically, right here, what I'm doing is pouring out the dough onto my table. Sorry, I had to do a voiceover because there was music in the background playing. And now we're gonna need the dough right here. Need. You see how it's coming to a nice and soft a nice soft masa. You're gonna want to keep kneading, okay? Alright, you see how it's all nice and soft? That's how you want your dough to come out, okay? Look, it's like kind of like elastic, but at the same time it's soft. That's the consistency you want for your dough. Alright guys, now that you have a nice and soft dough, you're going to want to start making your balls. But before that, you're going to want to add a little bit of flour. Now mind you, you're going to want to let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes before you start doing them, okay? Make them into little balls, like that. You see? Okay. Go ahead and put them down, and just do that for the rest of the dough. As you you can see, I got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 extra tortillas in total. Alright guys, they're nice and covered. You're gonna want to let them rest for about 15 to 20 minutes, okay? When you get a little dull bowl, you're gonna want to dip it in flour and kind of press on it a little bit, okay? You're gonna want to go down once, flip, and when you flip, you're gonna turn it, okay? Up and down. Let's see what we're gonna do. Down and up, flip. Down and up, flip. Down and up, flip. When you flip, you turn a little bit, okay? Down and up, down and up. You see, it's not gonna come out perfect, you know. I've been doing it for like a little while now, but once it's done, you're gonna get it. Once you put it in your comal. Let it cook for about, I wanna say, I have my stove on at medium low. So once it starts flipping, rising like that, that's what you want to get, okay? Once it starts rising, girl, that means you made it. So you're gonna want to flip it. Yes, guys, look at that. And that's what you want. Okay? Yes, I'm making some beans. For another about 15-20 seconds. Let it cook on the other side. Flip it. And voila, it's that easy. Like I said, love, patience, and taste as we go. With this, you have to have lots of patience. Okay, you're gonna grab it. You're gonna grab it. You're gonna cover it. You're gonna grab it, gonna cover it up, okay? And then we're gonna continue with the rest. Dip it in flour. Press as you go. Dip it in flour. Flip. Dip it in flour. Press. Flip. Dip it in flour. Okay. How you can do it, okay? Flip it, and look at that, beautiful, you guys. Oh my goodness, that's such a beautiful masterpiece. Yeah, it's all nice and cooked with brown spots, and now it's ready to go into the made batch. And we're down to the last 2 tortillas to cook, okay? And look at that, how beautiful it is. So I already finished what I was gonna cook for dinner. I made some nice frijoles with chicharrón. Now to add a little taste test. Whoop, my tortilla. It's delicious. Go ahead and try it out. Let me know. You're gonna have these nice and fluffy tortillas. That's it for today. Go ahead and go make that recipe. It's super easy. Remember, love, patience, take as they go. Tag me. Tell me when you make these good soft tortillas, okay? With that being said, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget, we're gonna do a giveaway at 100 subscribers, okay? I know we can do it, guys, and once we hit 100 subscribers, we're gonna do that giveaway, okay? So yeah, that's it. I hope you have a great day, and go make them and tag me, okay? Bye, guys.